Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiana back with another video. Welcome back to our channel. So today, y'all, like I promised, I'm bringing y'all the contact review. So let me explain. On Thanksgiving, you know, it's Thanksgiving. So I was rushing on Thanksgiving and I had left my SD card at the house. So unfortunately I did not get to like vlog style record how my day was going with my contacts. But I'm gonna pop them in and record with them so y'all can see how it looks when I have my makeup done. And I'm also gonna tell y'all about how it wore on all day Thanksgiving. All products will be listed in the description bar below. I'm trying their beauty products as well that they had sent me. And if I'm looking down, y'all, because I have my mirror right here. When I was wearing them all day on Thanksgiving, y'all, like, it had went really well. Like, I don't know. Like I said, I wear contacts, so I mean, I'm kind of used to contacts, but y'all, these take everything to the next level. I first put them on, you know, they was good, and maybe about an hour into me wearing these contacts, they had started getting a bit dry. But I mean, like I said, I wear contacts, so that's kind of to be expected. But if you really don't wear contacts, it probably can be something kind of annoying. So I did have re-wetting drops that I was using throughout the day, and I was pretty, they are mad pretty light. My mom, she was just like, oh my god, they're so pretty, like, I would think they are your eyes. I'm like, thanks, girl. So, I don't know, y'all, like, I got a whole bunch of looks and stuff, like, they was looking like, is them my little eyes? Oh! Re-wetting drops legit is like your best friend. Cause it's like, your eyes will get dry. No, it doesn't have all to do with the contact, but your eyes will get dry in the process. But overall, y'all, like, I would not be sleeping on this company because these contacts, honey, bomb. My contour, like, girl.
You was gonna tell them how I had you slayed on Thanksgiving, boy. How was you gonna tell us? You gonna let them know? I makeup on my shirt, bro. Makeup. You never heard what you said? Makeup on my teeth.
at that blush. Okay, come through. Come through. Come through. Come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Hey y'all, so this is the final makeup look. I just did like an everyday look with the contacts. Like overall, y'all, like the contacts are really good. Like they're really good quality. Like you need to head over there and go get that. If y'all are interested in seeing more on this beautiful hair, like y'all see I cannot keep my hands off. If y'all are interested in seeing more of this hair, click on the link above on how I got this look, and be on the lookout for a hair update and a review with all the details and actual specs. Proud of your girl, because you see these videos is rolling. Like I always say, if you're not subscribed, sis, what is you doing? Like, come on, go ahead and hit that red button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell beside it. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more of me, just let me know. Let me know. Thank you for tuning into this video. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.